Hello, and today we're working on a 2012 Chevy Suburban. We're going to go ahead and replace the taillight assemblies. One of them is cracked. Bought a set of two, so we're just going to show you how to go ahead and replace those. And in the process, we're going to go ahead and install a backup camera since we'll have the reverse light wire exposed. I wanted to do that anyway. I'll probably do two separate videos on that, but we'll just see how this turns out. So the first step, remove the Phillips screw on the upper, Phillips screw on the lower. And then there's two clips, one on the bottom and one on the top. Pops out, and that's pretty much it. And then you unhook all the sockets to it, and it's just plug and play. Pretty easy. Okay, so I gotta say, I bought these, I believe, off eBay. They were like $100 for a set of two. I did not expect them to be completely pre-wired. New sockets. They don't have bulbs. I'll put the bulbs from that into here. They even have the new pieces that screw into the car, and then the clips go in, so you can replace those as well. So that's a really good product. I'm really impressed by that. They look like they're packaged very nice, and I don't see any problems with them, any defects. But so simply, this will just be plug it into the actual harness after we replace the bulbs. We'll swap everything over first. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that. I think that's really cool that they did that. Anyway, we'll get back when we go to put it in, but this is... So we're back. After some careful consideration, I decided I want to just go ahead and keep my factory harness. It's probably a little better quality than the aftermarket. I can keep this harness for a backup, the plug-ins, all that stuff, and that's fine. They might be good in case I need another one someday, but I'm gonna go ahead and take all these out and then just use my factory ones. Okay, so we're gonna continue putting this factory one back in. Careful not to scratch up the new lens. I'm not over tightening anything. And then this one originally had that pushed in there, and that wire was shoved in that clip too, but I don't really like that, so I'm going to just tuck it in there. Make sure everything's sealed. We'll pull back the plastic a little bit there, and then get it ready to insert. And it goes down and over. Change sides here. I'm gonna line up those holes. And you're just making sure everything goes in. Take your screws. Put those back in. And then we're going to check the way it fits. Make sure the body lines line up and everything's set in where it should go. Close our rear hatch. Make sure it clears it. Looks good. And then we'll check lights on it.